In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Wayfair order. If you placed an order and realize you need to stop it, acting quickly is key. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to make on the Wayfair website, and I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Wayfair website in your preferred browser. On the homepage, look for the Sign In option, usually near the top right. Click that, then enter your account email and password to log in. Make sure you're signing into the same account you used to place the order. Cancellations can only be managed from the account that made the purchase. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your credentials, but avoid typing them on public or shared networks for security. Once you're signed in, head to the My Account area at the top right of the page. This is your personal hub for orders and settings. From there, click on Orders. You'll see a list of your recent purchases. Find the order you want to cancel by looking at the order date, the total, and the item images. Taking a moment to verify these details helps ensure you're canceling the correct order, especially if you've placed multiple orders close together. When you've located the right one, look for the Cancel Items or Order option. Click it. If you're canceling a single item order, you'll typically see the option to cancel the whole order. For orders with multiple items, you can choose exactly which items to cancel. Select the item or items you no longer want. It's a good idea to review the quantities here in case you only want to cancel part of the order rather than everything. After selecting, proceed by clicking Confirm Cancellation. This submits your request right away. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen indicating that the cancellation was successful. Sometimes, if the order is already being prepared for shipment, you may see that the option isn't available. That usually means the window for online cancellation has closed. Timing matters, so it's best to follow these steps as soon as you decide to cancel. Once you've confirmed, keep an eye on your email for a cancellation confirmation. Save that message for your records. Refunds typically return to your original payment method. Processing times can vary depending on your bank or card provider. And that's all there is to it. By signing in, going to My Account, opening orders, finding your purchase, choosing Cancel Items or Order, selecting what you don't need, and confirming, you can cancel your Wayfair order quickly and confidently.